Presentation Hero Academy presents Check Your Tech, lesson number 8 of the presentation delivery module. If you are like me, your presentation will depend on technology. And how do you make sure that everything goes your way? Well, there's a few things that you need to know. First, you need a backup. I create one on a USB stick and another one I put it in the cloud so I can access it from any device. When I create the backup, I usually create a PDF so I can open that file just from any computer and any device. Bring a spare system. Presentation professionals travel with 2 identical laptops. You don't need to be that nerdy, but probably you're carrying a smartphone or a tablet. Well, I'm sure there's some kind of cable that you can use to connect that to a projector, and there you go, you have a spare system. Write a packing list, because there's a lot of odd bits and pieces that have to come together in order for you to present with your technology. Get a wireless clicker is one of the best investments you can make. I suggest to get one with a timer. You can find the link in the notes of this lesson. Learn some keyboard shortcuts that are relevant to your system. It will make you more confident while you're on the stage. Don't rely on the fact that you're going to find a tech team in place when you arrive to present. Imagine that you're alone and you have to set up everything on your own. This way you'll be best prepared for any technical emergency. To summarize, have multiple backups, at least one in the cloud. A spare system is probably already in your pocket. Packing list, write it once and follow it forever. Wireless clicker, a small investment that you have to make. Keyboard shortcuts will make you more confident.